This video will blow your mind because it contains a wealth of knowledge. I encourage you to watch it till the end to gain valuable insights. The video summarizes over 6 books, and I genuinely believe it's worth your time. Enjoy and learn! Do you ever wonder why some people seem to have that magnetic charm and power in their voice? Well, get ready to discover the hidden gems that legendary speakers have used throughout history to capture hearts and minds. Whether you're an aspiring leader, public speaker, or simply want to stand out in conversations, we'll uncover the techniques that transform ordinary words into captivating narratives. Unlock the power of your voice and unleash the authoritative persona within you. Get ready to witness the magic that lies in your vocal cords. Segment 1: The Psychology of Speaking. Before we dive into the practical tips, let's explore the psychology behind speaking like an authority. We'll draw insights from influential books like The Psychology of Persuasion and Talk Like TED. Here is 3 important points to be noted. 1. Understanding the power of confidence. 2. Mastering body language. 3. The science of storytelling. Confidence is important because it helps you believe in yourself and what you say, making others trust and listen to you more. Body language matters because how you move and express yourself can show emotions and engage people without even speaking. Storytelling is significant as it helps connect with others by sharing relatable and interesting stories that capture their attention and leave a lasting impression. When combined, these 3 elements create a compelling and captivating communication style that can attract and hold the audience's interest. It's like having a powerful tool to make people interested in what you have to say and share your message effectively. Segment 2: Vocal Technique. Now that we have a solid foundation, let's move on to practical techniques. Drawing inspiration from books like Talk Like Churchill, Stand Like Lincoln, and The Sound of Your Voice, we'll delve into the art of using your voice effectively. 1. The power of pace. 2. Tone and inflection. 3. Breathing techniques. 1. The power of pace. How fast or slow you speak can affect how much people pay attention and how much they understand. Speaking at a good pace keeps the audience engaged and helps you sound more confident. 2. Tone and inflection. Changing the way your voice sounds adds emotion and emphasis to what you're saying. It makes your speech more interesting and helps convey your message clearly. 3. Breathing techniques. Proper breathing gives your voice strength and stability. It prevents you from running out of breath while speaking and helps you maintain a strong voice, making your communication more effective. Segment 3: The Art of Emphasis. Great communicators know how to emphasize their words strategically. Let's glean insights from books like The Art of Public Speaking and Made to Stick to master the art of emphasis. 1. Emphasizing keywords. Giving extra weight or importance to certain words in your speech helps highlight the main ideas and make your message clearer and more memorable. 2. The power of pauses. Taking intentional breaks in your speech allows the audience to absorb what you've said, creates anticipation, and adds emphasis to important points, making your speech more engaging. 3. Using rhetorical devices. Employing language techniques like metaphors, similes, and repetition adds flair and impact to your communication. These devices make your speech more persuasive and compelling, leaving a lasting impression on the audience. Segment 4: Commanding Presence. In this final segment, we'll combine all our learnings to develop a commanding presence that will make you a legend in any room. 1. Overcoming nervousness. Learning to manage and control feelings of anxiety or fear before speaking helps you feel more comfortable and confident, allowing you to deliver your message effectively. 2. The role of authenticity. Being true to yourself and speaking from the heart creates a genuine connection with the audience. It builds trust and credibility, making your message more relatable and impactful. 3. Engaging with your audience. Actively involving your listeners, such as asking questions, using examples, or encouraging participation, keeps them interested and attentive. This interaction makes your presentation more enjoyable and helps the audience connect with your message on a deeper level. Summary. In this video we discussed the importance of various elements in effective communication. These elements include understanding the power of confidence, mastering body language, and utilizing the science of storytelling. Furthermore, practical vocal techniques were explored, such as the impact of pace, tone and inflection, and breathing exercises to enhance communication skills and become a more effective speaker. Finally, the significance of emphasizing keywords, using pauses, and employing rhetorical devices were highlighted in delivering a compelling speech. The overall focus was on improving public speaking skills, overcoming nervousness, being authentic, and engaging with the audience to convey messages more effectively. If you genuinely learned something, I want to say, please subscribe to this channel and like this video.